Hello guys, so welcome back to my YouTube channel. So in this video I'm going to solve this integral property, right? Okay, so I have the integral from minus a to a fx dx. Okay, so I'm going to consider let u minus x. Okay, so du equals t minus x. When x goes to minus a, u goes to a. When x goes to positive a, u goes to minus a. So I can write this integral as a to minus a f minus u minus du, right? When I multiply both side by minus, I get this integral. Okay, so this is minus a to minus a f minus u du. Now I can switch the integrals, right? When switch the limits. Okay, so this is minus a to positive a f minus u du, which is basically minus a to a f minus x dx, right? This is I, right? Let's say this is I, so this is also I, right? Now I have I equals minus a to a fx dx, which is equation 1, and this is also I, which is I equals minus a to a, this is a, right? fx dx, which is equation number 2. Now I am going to add them together, which is 2i equals minus a to a fx dx plus minus a to a fx f minus x dx. Since the limits are equal, I can take out the integral sign away, so this is fx plus f minus x dx. This is 2i. Then I equals 1 over 2 minus a to a fx plus f minus x dx. Now I know what is I. I is minus a to a fx dx. So I have proved this thing, right? So I hope you guys understood what I did in this video. So if you have any questions, please comment below.